Hi, fellows. I hope all of you are doing well. I got a lot of questions and queries about Black Friday. How can we fetch that information and analyze in Microsoft Excel? So I'm going to quickly demonstrate how it works in Microsoft Excel. You go to Data simply and from Web. So this is the option that you select to get information from anywhere on the website. And lately, the websites have been updated regarding the data and statistics for Black Friday. So simply go down to your favorite website. For example, I have this balance.com. They have made a good analysis. I'll copy this link where what is Black Friday information is there. So there is analysis, and we'll see how this analysis will look like. Just click in OK while providing that URL. It's connecting to the URL, and you will see it will show the navigation. Now, in the navigation, you will see multiple tables. The most interesting table for me is that how is the trend working so far? So I will simply load this data. The moment you will click the load Power Query will pull in the information, and this is live information, by the way, directly coming from the website. So you have this analysis. You can use your favorite websites, you can use your favorite portals to fetch that information and analyze in Microsoft Excel. For example, I've just took the spent data. You can take any other information that you are interested in to analyze in your Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed, fellas. Stay safe, take care, and I look forward to speak to you again very shortly. Ciao, ciao.